Hi, this is Travis from Tenno Farms, and I just wanted to show you something I'm working on today. I have these day-night lights that are up on the barn, but the light sensors always go bad on them, and when the light sensors go bad on these, the light just goes out. So you think the bulb went out, put a new bulb in, still doesn't work. So rather than replace the whole fixture or try and find new sensors for them, since these LED bulbs use hardly any electricity, I just rewire them and make it so they're always hot. So I'm going to show you where I had it done here. This is the one that went out right above my overhead barn door there. So I just took the fixture down, and this is the fixture here. So you can see how the sensor here is on the top, and then you've got your red, black, and white wires all going into the sensor. I'm going to set this over here so I can show it a little bit better. So what I do with these is I find the main white neutral wire and the main hot black wire, disconnect them from the sensor here. So the black and the red go together on this, and the white goes to the white. So I disconnect all of these, just kind of tie them off together. And then I'm going to put this back up and connect just the black hot and the white neutral up to the wires I've got here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it from down here or not. There we go. So those are my hot and neutral wire that goes into the fixture. And then it just mounts to this post here on the outside of the barn. So I'm just going to wire that back in and then put it back up. And then it should work again because it'll just be always hot and always on. All right, so I'm up here on the barn now. Just have to feed these wires back through this grommet here. And then once I feed those through, I'm going to wire that on the back side, make sure it all works, and then just caulk around this again to seal it. There we go, I've got that mounted back up there. This isn't all the way tight yet, not caulked in, because I'm going to wire the back up and then make sure it works before I do all that. So I'm going to climb back down, move the ladder to the inside, and rewire it. Alright, so I got my hot and my neutral and my ground all wire nutted together here up on the inside of the barn. So now I'm going to climb back down, go back up on the outside, tighten everything down, put the bulb in, and I should have light. I did test it to make sure the bulb was good, and I did have light down before I brought it up here. So I know it's going to work as long as I got the wiring in here right, and it looks good from this side. All right, everything works. We're all back together and the light's on. I still have to caulk this in here to make it waterproof. But everything is good to go. It just won't work on the day-night sensor anymore. It's just going to be on 24 hours a day. But the bulbs last longer anyway. That way when you just let them run, at least that's been my experience with them. Thanks for watching.